So here we have a modified cylinder. Think of a toilet roll on a toilet paper roll. So we're going to find the surface area of every part of the tangible surfaces of this. So because we want surface area, we're going to use the standard formula. 2 base areas plus the perimeter of the base times the height of your prism. So the height is 8. That's the most easily thing to identify. The distance in between your bases. So we need to find our base area and we need to find our perimeter. So because we have a hole in our circle, the base area is going to be the larger hole with the radius of 6 minus the smaller hole with the radius of 2. So anytime we have a figure with a hole in it, we have to subtract areas. And because it's a circle, we have pi r squared as the area formula. So pi times 6 squared minus pi times 2 squared is 36 pi minus 4 pi, which is 32 pi square units. Because we don't have any given units, we'll just use regular old units. So the area of your base, the big circle minus the little circle, is 32 pi square units. So now we move on to the perimeter. Perimeter is the outer circle circumference with a radius of 6 plus the inner circle with a radius of 2. Okay, you can run your finger around the edge of the outside of this toilet paper ring, and you can run your finger around the inside edge of the toilet paper ring. And anytime you can touch an edge, you have a perimeter. So 2 pi r is the formula for perimeter. So 2 pi times 6 and 2 pi times 2 is 12 pi plus 4 pi for a grand perimeter total of 16 pi units. Okay, they're not area, so they're not squared, it's just perimeter, so it's regular. So now that we have both of those, we can go back into our original formula. 2 area of the bases plus the perimeter times the height. So our base area was 32 pi square units. Our base perimeter was 16 pi, and our height is 8. Now if we leave this in terms of pi, 64 pi here plus 128 pi there gives us a grand total of 192 pi square units. If you want to know what that is as a decimal, 192 times pi is 603.186 square units as a decimal, if you are so inclined.